Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to thank you for coming to our video presentation. It's glad to see you all watching this presentation. Today discuss is about financial data calculation. Okay, first let me introduce myself and my partners. We are from Group 3. I'm Syarul Feroh and my partners are Arinda Samanadira, Revelian Rizky Prameswari, and Bintang Nuraini. The purpose of this presentation is, as accounting students, we need to understand the use of Excel in accounting to make it easier for us to prepare financial reports. We will describe 5 Excel formulas related to calculating financial statements, including SLN, DB, RED, DIS, and RRE. The next slide will be presented by Bintang Nuraini.
The first formula is SLN. The function of SLN is to calculate depreciation with straight line method in Excel. The writing formula of SLN is equal SLN open bracket, cost separator, salvage, separator life, cost bracket. Cost is the initial cost of the asset. Salvage is the value of the asset at the end of depreciation. Life is the period during which the asset is depreciated. And this is the example of SLN. The writing formula of SLN is equal SLN open bracket absolute sale D6 turnover value for car, separator absolute sale I6 for residual value, separator 10 years, useful value, close bracket multiply 6 per 12. The second formula is DB. The function of DB is to calculate depreciation with declining balance method in Excel. The writing formula of DB is equal DB open bracket cost separator salvage, separator life, separator period close bracket. Cost is the initial cost of the asset. Salvage is the value of the asset at the end of depreciation. Life is the period during which the asset is depreciated. Period is the period for calculating depreciation. Month is optional. The number of months in the first year defaults equal 12. And this is the example of DB. The formula of DB is equals DB open bracket absolute sale D5 for turnover value of notebook, separator absolute sale I5 for residual value of notebook, separator 5 years, useful value, separator A28 for first period close bracket. The next slide will be presented by Adinda.
And for the third formula is RED, function to calculate interest rate of annuity in Excel. The writing formula from RED equal RED, open bracket NPR is the total number of payment period. Separator PMT is payment are made every period. Separator PV is present value. Separator FV is future value optional. Separator type is the payment is due and optional too. Separator guess is the guess about the rate 10%. Is the optional too, and close bracket. And this is the example for the RED. The formula is for the monthly rate is equal RED open bracket. C12 is the period in year is NPR, so we must multiply with 12. Separator B12 is the monthly payment is PMT. Separator A12 is loan amount is PV. And close bracket, we get the result is 2%. And for the year rate, we must we use the same formula in the monthly rate. Just multiply with 12, and you can drag down get the same formula. And for this will presented presentation by Revlin.
The fourth formula is discount. Function of discount formula is to calculate discount rate formula in Excel. Rating formula with equal sign, discount, open bracket, settlement for date of settlement of the security, separator, maturity for the maturity date of the security, separator, PR for the price of the security per $100 face value, separator, redemption for the redemption value of the security per $100 face value, and we can use the base for the optional, which is days basis. And we can see the example of discount formula. And we can use the formula with equal discount open bracket C3, which is settlement separator, D3 for maturity separator, A3 for the price of the security per $100 face value separator, E3 for redemption, or the redemption value of the security per $100 face value separator, F3 for the optional base. The next slide will be presented by Masharo Fairo.
The last formula is RRE. The purpose of RRE is to calculate the compound annual growth rate in Excel. Another function is to calculate the rate needed for an investment formula in Excel. So the writing formula in Excel for RRE is equals RRE, open bracket N per for number of periods, separator PV for current investment value, separator FV for future investment value. Here's the example of the question. Edi Agung et al. Invested the amount of the initial investment listed in the table after investing each for Edi 17 years, Agung 17 years, Budi 16 years, Joko 16 years, Heru 16 years, Ilham 15 years, and Rizky 14 years. The investment return have changed by the final investment amount or FB listed in the table. What is the percentage interest rate per year? So we can get the formula equals RRE, open bracket F7 for number of period is 17, separator B7 for initial investment amount it's 2,000, separator C7 for final investment amount it's 4,500, and the result is 4.80% for AD. And so on. We can copy the formula for the next table by drag it. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question for us, feel free to ask in the comment set. May all this we have shared be beneficial for all of us, and sorry for all our mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.